All right, on to Equifax right now, and no less than Senator Elizabeth Warren wants to launch an investigation into how it is better than 140 million Americans' records somehow got out there. Democratic Pennsylvania Attorney General Josh Shapiro is doing one better. He's leading a multi-state investigation into what Equifax knew and when it knew it, and what it did to try to prevent it. What are you fearing, Attorney General? What are you trying to put together here?
Well, Neil, there's a lot of layers to this. First off, just a massive data breach affecting 143 million Americans. In my home state of Pennsylvania, 5.4 million Pennsylvanians, about 75% of our adult population. Here's the layers to this. They knew about this 6 weeks before it was disclosed. So I want to get at the heart of how did the breach happen? Why did it take them so long to notify the public? And since they've notified the public, to add insult to injury, they've made it harder for consumers to go and protect their data, sometimes making them pay fees to freeze their credit. And just as recently as 20 minutes ago, when we went online to check whether or not we could access helpful information on their website was down. Layer on top of that further, for many seniors and others who are afraid to put their information online to go and freeze their credit, when they call the call center, they're met not with a live voice, but either with a busy signal or not being able to get access to their information. So we're not only leading a massive bipartisan multi-state investigation with over 30 states involved right now, but we're also trying to get Equifax to change its behavior right now to help consumers in Pennsylvania and all across the United States. This is a massive data breach. There's a lot of questions that we're going to get answered in the course of this investigation, and we've got to protect consumers.
You know, is there anything illegal about it? Because it certainly seems suspicious, Attorney General, a company that says, all right, we will protect you from this happening again if you sign up for this service, a sort of a credit protection service, they say, as long as you, sign off on a waiver that you would not sue us. Now, it seems that that issue is a moot point, but it also seems like an illegal act.
Well, it's a moot point because the moment I and other attorneys general saw this, we immediately fired off a letter to Equifax demanding that they take that provision away. And for your viewers who aren't familiar,
the provision that you can not sue them if you sign up for this service.
Right.
Okay.
Right. When you signed up for them to help you, they said you're waiving your legal rights. They now took that away. And we want them to not only keep that away, but also make it easier for people to freeze their credit, not pay a fee, and if they are forced to pay a fee by some other credit reporting agency, for Equifax to actually reimburse them in the process. We want all that to go on while we're investigating the data breach. And look, Neil, at the end of the day, we want to change corporate behavior, not just from Equifax, but these other corporations that take your data. We want to make sure that our data, the American people's data, is protected no matter what. And that's part of what we're going to hopefully do here in this investigation.
All right, we'll watch very closely. Attorney General, thank you very, very much. Good seeing you.